Hey guys, welcome back. So today is a very much anticipated video on my part. I have been wanting to do a first impressions of the Tati palette with you guys for the longest time, and we're finally doing it. Finally. This honestly is a very simple date night look. It looks like I spent a lot of time on it, but I actually didn't. So right up here you have your glitter shades, metallics, sequin, and matte shades. And the matte shades in this palette, the metallics are just gorgeous, but honestly my favorite part in this palette, the glitter. So if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look and hear my thoughts on this palette, which honestly are going to be very positive, I do plan on giving you guys a very natural makeup look with this palette. Some of you have asked me to really simplify a makeup look for you guys, and I'm going to do that in a future video. But for today's video, I made it more of like a date night type of look, and for me honestly this would be an everyday makeup look because I love makeup. I will definitely be giving you some more inspiration on this palette. I also will be including the JACLYN Hill palette. This is a newer release as well, and these highlighters are just insanely beautiful. It's what I have on today. If you're new here and you were just stopping by because you liked seeing some makeup stuff that you were interested in, or I don't know, whatever brought you to my channel today, I do have a very special video coming up very soon, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so. I upload a mixture of makeup, beauty, and fashion videos, so that's the deal with my channel. If you would like some inspiration with the Tati palette, stick around. Give me a thumbs up if you like stuff like this and you want to see more makeup looks with this palette, which there definitely are going to be more makeup looks with this. I've been using this Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. I really want a glow today. This just makes my skin look very bouncy and dewy. I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation stick. This is in the shade Soft Beige. I feel like I say that every time I do a makeup tutorial. This thing really gives you the coverage, but if you want a natural makeup look, you could definitely achieve that with this foundation stick, which I honestly think a lot of you would like this. I don't know if you've ever tried out a foundation stick before, but I prefer them over liquid foundation. I'm just using my BoxyCharm brush to buff it into the skin. I don't have a look in mind. I'm just gonna kind of see what happens. I think I want my lights blinking in the background. I'm gonna turn on my blinking lights really quick because I just think they're so much fun. I think I'll go with that one for now. I am going to add a little bit more coverage with the HUDA Beauty Overachiever Concealer. I like the coverage that I got with this foundation, but I want just a little bit more, and I need a little bit more light. I look so much more awake. If you like more natural makeup, you definitely do not have to do this. I just like looking a little bit extra sometimes and having that fresh looking skin. Some people have it naturally. Foundation and concealer done. I'm using my Instant Touch setting powder in Butter by Fenty Beauty to set my foundation in place. Sometimes I feel like this powder picks up my foundation, or maybe I didn't cover it up in the first place. I was just curious if you guys have any goals for this year. I've kind of been working on my goals before 2020 just to kind of get me into the mindset. One of which is to drink more water. I've been drinking too much coffee and I gotta pull back a little bit. I have already gotten this Tati palette all dirty. Brought you in a little bit closer so you could see what I was doing. I felt like you were a little bit far away. I'm gonna use my Butter Bronzer to bronze up my pale skin. I'm not looking for anything too precise. I'm just wanting to warm up the skin just a little bit. I'm going to use my Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder just to prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. I'm just using a soft brush. I believe this is a Sephora brush. It is. I'm going to use this CIATE London blush. It's so easy to work with. I don't have to worry about putting on too much because sometimes I go in with a very heavy hand. I did mention this in my beauty favorites video. A lot of good stuff with that video, so I'll make sure to link that. I feel like I'm doing everything before I get into the Tati palette because I'm just building the suspense. I'm using this little brow bar kit. I haven't used this yet, and I kind of have been a little bit hesitant to use it in the first place. These three colors just, I don't think they're gonna work for me, but I'm gonna try it. I've already used this brow gel, and I like this. So I'm gonna take this out, and I'm gonna try these colors. I doubt these are gonna work on me, but we can try. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this brown shade. They actually have like a little mirror right here, and I'm just gonna use it. Oh, it's not bad. I feel like it's a little bit orangey for me, but I think I might go ahead and go on top of it with this brow gel. I thought it was gonna be way too dark for me. I know for sure this black is not gonna work. I've never really been much of a powder gal for eyebrows, but this isn't bad. I do prefer a cream gel or some type of pomade or like even a pencil over powders, but it's not my favorite. I don't understand. Like I'm pretty sure I put in my BoxyCharm that I was like a light to medium skin tone, and they gave me the dark kit. Sometimes I get really confused with BoxyCharm. I don't know if any of you do BoxyCharm, but a lot of their stuff I really like, especially their skincare. Like this was in a BoxyCharm and I love it. And that Kypris gel, best thing in the world. But I have been getting so many eyebrow products in my BoxyCharms, and I want them to stop. I've already watched a couple of your guys' tutorials on this palette, and you guys are so creative. We're gonna jump right in and go with this section right here. I'm gonna go for a pinky romantic eye look because I mean, I would wear that today. And this mirror though, oh my goodness, this is like the best mirror thing I've ever seen in a palette. What? How do they do that? Like there's a huge difference in this mirror and this mirror. This mirror is way better. Okay, you know what? I'm just put that down there. Start with Aura. Did I even show you? I'm sorry. I'm gonna go into this really, really light shade first and just build up the color. I just kind of want to test as many eyeshadows as I can right now. I'm using this brown shade right here to kind of build up that crease a little bit before I start having fun with all these colors. These truly are so easy to blend out. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this purple shade right here. I know that's a bit of a drastic jump, but I really want to get that purple vibrant shade just popping right in. Just start building it up. I love how these eyeshadows layer on top of each other. I'm gonna go into this sequin shade next. I think it'll be perfect to tap on top of that purple shade. I just have to use the lightest hand. This stuff is so pigmented. I'm gonna move into this metallic shade next and just start building up that color, and then I'll top it off with the glitter. I'm gonna take Poet and just drag that on my lower lash line. So I am going to use this rose goldish glitter right here. It's more pink than rose gold, but you know what I mean. Glitter is not my strong point, but I'm going to try it with the brush first. That was super easy. So impressed right now. I'm gonna go back into this metallic shade and build up the glitter on the outer edge, and then I'll make the transition a little bit more smooth. I'm so impressed because I have no glitter fallout. How in the world did you do that? I'm gonna go a little bit crazy on the outer edges and mix this black with this purple shade. I just want to see how they mix together because I just want to see. This might be a huge mistake, but I'm very daring today. I love it. I love this. I'm gonna do my eyeliners and my mascara, finish up the look we've got going on here. I'm just using my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. I was thinking about doing magnetic eyelashes today, but I really want to see how this looks without eyelashes. I feel like I'm actually going to really like this without them. Normally I would do a pretty dramatic wing, but I want to see how it looks without all the added drama. I I like that I'm getting a glam look without having to do a bunch of extra work. I know I definitely want to do a dramatic smoky eye with this eyeshadow palette, but for now, for my first impressions, I am so happy with this look. And boom. So beautiful. I've been so excited to share with you guys this JACLYN HILL palette. There have just been some amazing releases this past year. First, I like to use my Wet n Wild highlighter to set the base, and then I go on top of it with precise placement. Tap my brush in there. It gives my skin like that natural, dewy, brightened appearance. And then, wait, don't leave yet. Take this brush. This is a Luxie brush. This also has a beautiful mirror. So I'm going to take a little bit of this one and a little bit of this one, tap it off, and I'm just going to place it right here. Right there. Right where that light is just going to pop. So this is Mesmerized and Gleam. Just mixing the two together. Right there. Just beautiful. I'm going to put a little bit of that into my inner corner. I'm going to use a little pointed brush, go back into Gleam. Like, this stuff is so good. I feel like I'm ready to go out on a date. I just realized I don't have a lip color. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a lip gloss real quick. So I take that back. I was gonna go for lip gloss, but I just found this OFRA long-lasting liquid lipstick in Monacco, and paired with this eye look, I think it's gonna look amazing. I feel like metallic lips are a thing of the past, but not for me. They're not my favorite, but with the right makeup look, I think they can just really be so beautiful. I really like how this turned out. I was just really excited about this palette, and I was dying to create a video about it, and I finally have done it, and now I can just be obsessed with this eyeshadow palette for years and years, and I can use it till it is all used up, and then I will buy another one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it very entertaining. I hope it was helpful for you. I used a lot of drugstore and high-end makeup in today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and go. I will have something very special coming up, so be on the lookout. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. If you need more inspiration with makeup, just stick around. I think that's it. I think I need to just go ahead and wrap this video up. So I will see you guys very soon in my next video, and